Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Xbox headset to your phone. First, ensure your headset is charged and your phone's Bluetooth is enabled if you plan to connect wirelessly. We will cover both wired and wireless methods, discussing compatibility and the simple steps involved. Understanding these options will allow you to enjoy your game audio or calls directly through your preferred headset, enhancing your mobile experience significantly. It's a convenient way to utilize your existing gear. For a wired connection, you will typically use a 3.5mm audio jack. Most Xbox One generation headsets and many newer models come equipped with this standard connector. Simply plug one end into your headset and the other into your phone's headphone jack. This method offers a reliable audio experience, though microphone functionality might vary depending on your specific headset and phone model. It's a straightforward and effective way to get sound from your mobile device. Many modern Xbox headsets, like the official Xbox wireless headset, feature built-in Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for seamless pairing with your mobile device. To connect, put your headset into pairing mode, usually by holding down the power button for a few seconds until an indicator light flashes. Then, open your phone's Bluetooth settings, scan for devices, and select your Xbox headset from the list. This wireless option provides great flexibility for audio on the go, offering a cable-free experience. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your headset and phone have the latest software updates installed. For wired connections, try a different 3.5mm cable or another device to rule out a faulty port. For Bluetooth, try unpairing and repairing the headset or restarting both devices. Always test your microphone after connecting to confirm full functionality. These simple steps can resolve most common connection problems, ensuring a smooth audio experience with your Xbox headset and phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.